Hi everyone, welcome to English with Amen. Today we are talking about something super important. Why learning English is a game changer, whether you are a student, a professional, or just curious. English can open so many doors for you. In this video, I'll break it down into three key reasons and explain each in simple, easy to understand way. So let's get started. English is a global language. English is like a bridge that connects people from different countries. Imagine traveling to a new place where no one speaks your language. It can be scary, but if you know English, you will find it much easier to communicate because over 1.5 billion people around the world speak it. Why is English so widespread? Colonial history. Countries like the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and India use English because of British role in the past. Pop culture influence. Hollywood movies, English songs, and TV shows make English familiar everywhere. Business and technology. Big companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft use English as their main language. How does English help in daily life? For example, traveling. Airports, hotels, and tourist spots usually have signs in English. Making friends. You can talk to people from different countries online or in person. Emergency situations. If you are lost or need help, English can save you. Fun fact is that even if someone's first language isn't English, they probably know basic words like hello, thank you, or help. Real life examples. Maria from Spain didn't know English but learned it to work at a hotel. Now she helps tourists every day and even got a promotion. Bottom line. English makes the world feel smaller and friendlier. Better jobs and education. Want a high-paying job or dream for studying abroad? English is your ticket. Why do employers want English speakers? Global companies like Amazon, Samsung, and BMW need employees who can talk to clients worldwide. Higher salaries. Studies show English speakers earn 20 to 30% more in many countries. Remote work. Many online jobs like freelancing or customer service require English. How does English help in education? Top universities, Harvard, Oxford, MIT, teach in English. Scholarships. Many programs require English test scores like IELTS or TOEFL. Research and books. The best science, tech, and business books are in English. Success story. Ahmad from Egypt learned English online, aced his IELTS exam, and now studies engineering in Germany for free. Tips to improve English for work or study. Watch English news on or YouTube tutorials. Practice speaking with apps like Duolingo or HelloTalk. Read job descriptions in English to learn useful words. Key takeaway: English is equal to more opportunities plus more money. Access to knowledge and internet. Did you know 60% of the internet is in English? That means most of the world's knowledge is just a click away if you understand English. Why is the internet dominated by English? Early internet creators like Tim Berners-Lee were English speakers. Tag terms like Wi-Fi, download, app come from English. Social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram mostly uses English. What can you do with English online? Learn anything. Free courses, Coursera, Khan Academy, teach in English. Entertainment, watch Netflix, play games, or follow influencers without subtitles. Stay safe. Understand scams, fake news, or legal rights online. There are some examples. Priya in India learned coding from English YouTube videos and now works at a tech startup. How to use the internet to learn English? Turn on English subtitles for movies, follow English meme page, fun or learning. Use Google Translate for tricky words. Pro tip: the more you see you use English online, the faster you will learn. And that's why English is so powerful. It helps you travel, get dream jobs, study abroad, and unlock the internet. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, just start small. Practice every day, and soon you will see the difference. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below what's the hardest part of learning English for you. Let's help each other out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.